So let's turn it back on again and take a listen and see what happens. Sure this still works and everything. Okay, what happens when we try to eject a disc? Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. It's trying its hardest. Alright. I'm gonna turn it off. My guess is something is jammed inside of there. Let's take it apart. Alright, so I did a little work yesterday, and as you can see now, this is for my personal use, so I don't really care about cosmetics too much. I mean, there's already plenty of scratches, but I just want it to work more than anything. In the attempt to remove a stripped screw, I really did a number on that. However, like I said, if this is the bottom part that's just gonna sit there, I don't really care about it looking nice, so I might just buzz around that and cut the plastic. Not like I have much of another option, but we'll see when we get there. So let's get to work. We can set this to the side, a little soldering. These are the top panel screws. That back for now. So my goal is to, because our disk drive, it spins disks, so it can load, but it has some trouble ejecting the disk, which is what's concerning me. And if I'm gonna see, there's a GameCube disc in there right now, and I'm not sure what game it is. I tried to load it, but I just couldn't identify it from just loading it. I need more context. So with all that being said, I really just want to get to a spot where I can, get the disc out, maybe try to put Wii Sports or something, and there's something to test it, see where we stand, and ultimately see if the disc is the issue, if there's something else lodged in there, or if I just need to do a total drive replacement, because I will do a total drive replacement. I would just like to save the money and not do that. But whatever happens, happens. I just want to get this thing working. That snapped, so I'm not concerned with that screw. That was one of the ones. There are two major screws that are stripped in this unit. That one, which you can see right here, absolutely refuses to come out, especially now. And then a little friend down there, which if I had, which I didn't, any hope of getting it out, it is certainly gone now. So it should kind of just shimmy out there. Then take the pliers. I hate to leave it like that. And remove that. Set that over there. So just by this alone, it almost looks like there's two discs in there, which I don't think there is, because otherwise it shouldn't have been able to load just the one. But I'm not surprised by anything with this Wii anymore after how much I've been working on it. One of these just comes out naturally. I think it's this one over here. Okay. Now this is the messy part that I didn't want to do, but I don't see any foreseeable way to get this panel out without completely buzzing this off. So I say we just go for it and deal with how terrible it's gonna look and how bad it's gonna smell in here, because that is a important screw. See, okay, it does just barely fit in there. Perfect. Too much of a choice. It's gonna be messy, but a little bit of plastic. Okay. Last thing of attack is gonna be just make a small mark there. And I can't turn my fan on right now, so alright. Keep going. Okay. Stop pressing, but allegedly there should be enough to make it work. Alright, we'll go and touch it up a little bit. For now, let me disconnect this. It's not ideal. It truly is not ideal. It's not what I wanted to do. But I don't want to buy a stripped screw set or whatever to manually get that out. And so, I'm just going to use a saw. Or whatever you want to call that thing. Get that in there, maybe. Pull up. Alright, that really helps a lot. Okay, now I might actually just be able to remove the screw like usual. Okay, we'll steal this up later. Like I said, I never said that this was going to be ideal, but I did say I was going to get it out. And get it out, I shall. See, there's the right way and then there's my way, which is the wrong way but faster. Alright, I'm never touching the screw again. That's going in the trash. With all of that in mind, let's try to open her up. There. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't hold out on me. Don't hold out on me. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I don't know. I think I might plug it in and try to see what the issue is as to why it won't eject any discs while I have it open with me. Best way to stand this would probably just be on its side, I suppose. Alright, so we don't need video output. We just need... So that's our power. Then eject would be... Start by turning this on. which would be that button right there. Now here's our lovely little 360 for later. Yeah, I already do have someone who's interested in this. Okay. So, okay. Wow, goodness. See where this eject button goes in. So it's down. All right, I see where it is. So let's try to eject it and see what happens. All right, it's this guy right here. Looks like that little gear might be getting jammed. And I think a little bit of cleaning could possibly fix that up. Let's try again. Oh, we fixed it. Well, shoot, that was mighty simple. I'm gonna take these contacts, I'm gonna take the panel off, I'm gonna clean in here good. Now that I know that this works, because we got some fun later. I am thrilled about that. Alrighty, on that successful note, it is time to get to cleaning, which means compressed air. And I'm actually gonna use the drill first because I don't feel like waiting for some chemical solutions to take care of that rust, so I'm just gonna sand it off myself. Alright, I don't really care that much. I was kind of just doing it for the sake of doing it. I've also been itching to try these guys out. So, two birds with one stone, I suppose. Okay. With that being said, I think our work with the drill is done. I'll use some electrical tape to patch that up because, like I said, I do not care about how it looks. I care about if it works. Get in. Well, suppose that pretty much settles it. Okay. That little motor spins just fine. We have success, people. We have officially fixed the Wii at a net total cost of nothing to me. Just a little bit of elbow grease. So on that note, power that off. And let's get back to assembly. That wraps up the reassembly to exactly how it was before. But, well, other than that, but it works now. Let's go test it out. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shot. So, allegedly, I haven't actually put one of these in a while. that in. Grab the Wiimote. The biggest thing for me is making sure when I press eject, my disc comes out, which it sure does. Perfect. I would call this project a major success. All that's left to do now is get this guy up and running. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.